Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn models. This is the new chapter which 8th standard students also have and 9th standard there is also it is there. Okay, models. Models are auxiliaries to express our moods, manners and attitudes. Auxiliaries means assistants. Okay, auxiliary means to assist. So models are auxiliary verbs, assistant verb to express our moods, manners and attitudes. And one more thing, that they do not change with number of person of the subject. They remains the same with the number of person of the subject. Number means singular, plural, and person means first person, second person, third person. I, we, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, these are persons, and number means singular, plural. Okay, so models remains the same with all the number or persons of the subject. Now let's see some models. On your screen you can see the list of some models. Can, could, these are models. Okay, can, could, these are models, and these models are used to show ability. Could is the past form of can. So in ability sense also could is used, and could is also used for polite request. Okay, then next one is advice. Advice means salah. Okay, for advice which models are used? Had, better, ought to, should. Okay, mostly should and ought to, these two models are used for giving advice. Next one is shall, will or would. These models are used for certainty or intention. Okay, would is the past form of will. Okay, so these three models are used for intention or certainty. Need to, must. These models are used for necessity. Okay, must shows the personal feelings and which is important to do. Okay, next one is ought to, should. Both are used for obligation. Obligation means duty to somebody or to something. Okay, so ought to is there in advice also and in duty also. The next one is can, may. You all know that these two models are used for permission. Then for shall, will, would, we use willing. For willingness we use shall, will or would. And for habit we use used to. And for wish we use may. May God bless you, may you live a long life. Okay, so these are our wish. Now let's see all the models in detail. The first one is shall. You all know that shall is used with I or we, but sometimes it can be seen with he, she or it. Then you will tell, ma'am, it's wrong, it is given wrong. No, it is not given wrong, but when it is there to show promise, command, threat. Threat means dar. Determination in second or third person we use shall. See on your screen examples. You shall receive a prize. Here generally in future tense we use will. Okay, but here we are using shall with you. Okay, so you shall is not the wrong one, but here the main focus is on the promise that someone has given you the promise that you shall receive a prize. It is promise only. Okay, he shall go there. Command is there. He shall go there. Okay, they shall obey us whether they like it or not. Here determination is there. Okay, in future tense we use will with you, he or they, but here shall is used to show, to express the promise, command or determination. Understood? The first model shall. Now let's come to the second one, will. Same thing, reverse is there. Will is used to express willingness, promise, threat, command, determination. Okay, In previous examples, you have seen shall with you, he, they, and here you will see will with I or we. Okay, generally with I or we use shall, but here will is used to express willingness. Willingness means कुछ काम करने की इच्छा होना. Promise, threat, command or determination. Understood? Now next one is must, have to, had to. Here have to and had to, they are used in different tenses. Have to is used in present tense and had to is used for past tense. And all these three, they show the necessity or compulsion. Now what is the difference between these three? Have to and had to, you understood. Have to is used for present tense and had to is used for past tense. Okay, in past it is something some necessity was there is shown by had to. In present, if the necessity is there, then it is shown by have to. And what is the difference of must and have to? See, must is used for all the tenses. It remains the same in all the tenses. So how you will differentiate must and have to? Okay, where you have to put must, where you have to. So one difference is there when your personal feelings are there, when you are attached with someone and you are telling for that reason, then you will use must. And have to shows the dutifulness. Okay, means have to is much harder than must. Okay, have to है वो much से harder है use उसका have to का. Okay, see, हैव टू शोज सम एक्सटर्नल कंपल्शन, यानी इंटरनल तुम्हारे उसके साथ कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू कम टू स्कूल, तो यहाँ पर कंपल्शन है. ओके, एंड यू मस्ट ओबे योर पेरेंट्स, वहाँ पर आपकी पर्सनल फीलिंग्स हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सी हियर एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन. आई हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्क बाय द इवनिंग, कोई और चारा ही नहीं, आई हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्क. इट इज़ एक्सटर्नल कंपल्शन, किसी ने आप पर थोप दिया है. Okay, and you must see the new mall, it is beautiful. So here some feeling is attached, personal feeling है कि मुझे अच्छा लगा तो तुम्हें देखने जाना चाहिए. Understood? And here there are different forms of have to. Have to is present tense, had to is past tense, and will have to is the future tense. Understood? Now next one is should. What is the usage of should? So first one is should is the past tense of shall. Okay, and the second use is to express the duty, obligation, advice or condition. Understood? See, you should not tell lies, here advice is there. Okay, next one is should this happen I will resign, it is condition. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो मैं resign दे दूंगा या दे दूंगी. Okay, so it is condition here. And we should obey our parents, here duty is there. So should is little bit lighter. Okay, then next one is ought to. Ought to shows a moral duty or desirability. Desirability यानी कि जनरली ऐसा एटीट्यूड डिज़ायरेबल है सोसाइटी में. ओके, सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. यू ought not to speak to your parents in this manner, here moral duty is there. You ought not to speak to your parents in this manner. Okay, and we ought to love our neighbors, here desirability है. If you are living in society, then what is the desirable attitude or behavior? To love your neighbors. Understood? So that's all for ought to. Now next one is can, could, will, would, may. Now here you all know that could is the past tense of can. Okay, so in past, and could is also used for polite requests. Will, would, may, all these words are used for polite request. But for moral requests, for example, if you are asking or you are making the request to your teachers or the higher authority, then you will use may. And if you are requesting to your friends or your younger one, okay, with younger one you will use can. Understood? And could is more polite than can. Okay, now see the example. Could I use your telephone please? If please is given, then you will use could. Okay, would you help me please? Here also in could or would you can select any word. Can I open the door now? You are requesting to the younger one. Okay, will you help me? Here also it is request. Okay, so here you are asking for someone's intention to help you. Will you help me? Next one is may. May is the most polite form of making request or asking for permission. As I explained you, may is used for higher authority or for asking request to your elder one. Okay, may I come in, sir? And may is also used to express a wish. May you live long. May you have a happy life ahead. Okay, then may God bless you. All these are wish. Okay, so may is used to express wish, and may is the most polite form of making request or asking for permission. Now models are used to ask questions which has yes or no answers. Next use of all the models are, they are used to ask questions which have yes or no answers. Okay, for example, can I take your seat? ओके मैं आपकी सीट पर बैठ सकता हूँ, तो आंसर आपको येस या नो में मिलेगा. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेगेटिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ मॉडल्स. दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर नेगेटिव sentences with not. So contracted forms are given. Can, what is the expanded form of can? Can not. Okay, negative form of can is cannot, and contracted form is can't, and apostrophe t. Could, could not, or couldn't. May, may not. Here no contracted form is given for may. Might, might not. Here also no contracted form. Shall, shall not, or shan't. See, here be careful in writing the negative contracted form of shall not. It is shan't. SHAN apostrophe T. Okay. Next one is should. Should not or shouldn't. Will, will not, or want. So you will be very careful in writing the contracted form for will not and shall not. Once again revise it, shan't and want. Understood? Next one is would. The would not and wouldn't. Must, must not, or mustn't. Need to, need not, or needn't. Ought to, ought not to, ought not to. Okay, and there is no contracted form for ought not to. You have to write it full. Okay, and one note is given: may not, might not, ought not to. These three models do not have negative contracted forms. Understood? Now here one more model I want to add, and it is need to. Need. Okay, need is also model. It is used to express in the meaning, to express the meaning of to stand in need of. किसी की help के लिए तैयार होना. Okay, and there are three forms of need: need, needed. Okay, these are the two forms of need: need and needed, and it is used in all the tenses, and it also has negatives and as well as interrogatives with the help of do. For example, she needs money. Here present tense is there. I needed your help. Here past tense is there. He needs to consult you. Here also present tense. You will need my help. Here also it is future tense with will it is used. She does not need. Negative is there. Okay. Then sometimes see some verbs are given. If need is used in as model, then it can be used with third person singular in main form only. For example, he need not wait for me. He need not wait for me. Here you will see ma'am has used need here. Third person singular is there, then also ma'am has used need here. ओके, दिस सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर इज रॉन्ग. प्रेजेंट टेंस में तो मैम आपने सिखाया था ही डज नॉट नीड आएगा. ओके, बट हियर नीड इज यूज्ड एज मॉडल्स एंड हियर एस और ई एस इज नॉट एडेड. ओके, नीड द मेन फॉर्म इज यूज्ड विथ ही. इट मीन्स इट इज अ मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी. अंडरस्टूड? So need is also completed and its negative form is need not and the contracted form of need not is needn't. Okay, you needn't touch my scooter. Okay, this is the example of needn't. I hope you understood this explanation of models. Now let's go with some exercise. Here on your screen you can see you have to fill in the blanks with shall or will. Okay, here if it is in the form of future then you will use as per the rules of future tense for will or shall, and if it is used for obligation or duty or compulsion then you will use the reverse form. Okay, for example, I dash be 20 next Wednesday. Here we are talking about future, so with I we will use shall only. If you will write here will then it is wrong. In future tense I told you that it doesn't matter if you are writing shall or will with I, but in models fill in the blanks, if this fill up is asked in exam then you have to write shall only. Will be wrong because here it is clearly stated it is future tense only. Okay, so here you will write I shall be 20 next Wednesday. Understood? Next one is I dash give you a blow if you abuse me. Here threat is given, डर दिया है. अगर तुमने गलत शब्द बोले तो I will give you a blow, मारूंगा तुम्हें. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ थ्रेट. हमने आगे देखा विल और शेल में थ्रेट है तो हम लोग विल यूज़ करेंगे, रिवर्स करेंगे. आई के साथ शेल यूज़ होता है बट वी विल यूज़ विल. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज आई डैश हेल्प हर कम वॉट मे. हियर ऑल्सो it is promise, so will. I dash never be late again. Here also promise, will. He dash do as I bid him. जैसा मैं बोलूँगा वो वैसा ही करेगा. So here it is used as model, so shall. You dash obey my orders. यहाँ पर orders मानने हैं तुम्हें तो you shall, will नहीं आएगा. They dash come here tomorrow. Here tomorrow is future. Okay, so they के साथ will ही आएगा. They dash be rewarded. Okay, they will be rewarded. Or here it is better to write shall. Better to write shall. Okay, shall. will मत लिखना यहाँ पर, write shall. Okay, we dash never do such a thing again. Okay, so वी डैश नेवर डू सच अ थिंग अगेन. हम वापस से ये चीज़ नहीं करेंगे तो ये प्रॉमिस दे रहे, सो विल इज़ यूज्ड. ओके, यू डैश बी गिवन द फर्स्ट प्राइज. हियर ऑल्सो यू, यहाँ पर भी हम लोग विल या शैल दोनों राइट है यहाँ पर. वाई? बिकॉज this can be of future tense also as well as it is promise also. Okay, so whatever you will write here it is correct only because no such words are given which can indicate the future tense. Okay, you dash not do as you like. तुम्हें जैसे मर्जी आए वैसा तुम नहीं करोगे. Okay, so here it is used as model, so we use shall. She dash be given a prize. She will be given a prize, same as 10th sentence. Okay, he dash be punished for this. So here also you will write shall. He shall be punished for this. Then she dash obey you whether she likes it or not. Here also it is compulsion, so shall will be used for with she. 15 number, you dash not move, I warn you. Here also warning is given, so shall with you. Exercise 2, can, could be, able to. you have to use these models accordingly. I will tell you the difference between these three words: can, could, be able to. Be means is, am, are. Okay. So these three models are used to express ability or possibility. For example, you dash not enter the class as you are late. You cannot. Present tense. The teacher dash teach us how to make flowers from paper and cloth. See, could है वो यूज़ नहीं होगा. द टीचर इज़ एबल टू टीच अस हाउ टू मेक फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम पेपर एंड क्लोथ. ओके. वी आर, जब कुछ करने की एबिलिटी होती है तब हम लोग इज़ एबल टू या टू बी दिया है तब हम एबल टू यूज़ करेंगे. ओके. हियर with we are is given, so we are able to get information on many subjects from the internet. Okay, so are is given, so we will use able to because be form है are, to be का form है ना, is, am, are. So here it is confirmed that able to will be used. Next one is Hari. Hari could not buy a new computer today as all the shops were closed. Here past tense is given, so we will use could. My mother dash have forgotten to ring up her friend. Here perfect tense is given, so could will be used. I dash go to a movie today. I am able to go to a movie today, or you can write here I can go to a movie today. Okay, possibility. He was dash to revise all his lessons for the test. Here also to be form is given and to is also given. So was able to revise all his lessons for the test. Father could have Father dash have taken the house keys with him by mistake. Here have is given, so could will be used. Okay, father could have taken the house keys with him by mistake. The skirt dash be of a cheap quality. The skirt can be, okay, possibility है, can be of a cheap quality, हो सकती है cheap quality की. Okay, then that's all for this exercise. Then next models are must, have to, had to. I explained you. See, must, have to, had to, they express necessity or compulsion. Have to suggest some external compulsion. Must the speaker's personal feelings. I explained you. I have to complete this work by the evening. Okay, here external pressure is there, and you must see the new mall. It is beautiful. Here no pressure is there. It is internal feeling, personal feeling. So must is used. Okay, now let's start exercise 3. You dash show your passport at the gate before you can enter the airport. Here you have to, because it is outer pressure. Okay, so compulsion है, outer compulsion है, authority का compulsion है, external है, so have to. I dash see my dentist today. I have a terrible toothache. Feelings है, so must. You dash go to the new restaurant that serves fabulous food. Here personal experience or feelings are attached, so must. You will is given, so surely it will have to only. You will have to pay a big fine if you don't follow traffic laws. Next one is I dash go and meet my father. He is not keeping well. I must. Okay, now here as I explained you, must remains the same in all the tenses. It does not have any past tense or future tense. Okay, but have to can be used in past tense as well as in future tense. I explained you that. See the examples. I have to finish the exercise. Present tense, I will have to finish the exercise. Future tense, I had to finish the exercise. Past tense. Understood? Now exercise F. In notebook you have to write the answers. Here you have to answer the questions with either have to, had to, or will have to according to the tense of the sentence. Okay, see, the first sentence is given, did you pay a fine yesterday for wrong parking? Someone is asking you question, so what is your answer? Yes, I had to. Why here we had used have had to? Because did is given, which is past tense. Okay, so yes, I had to pay rupees 300 as a fine. Now to number, how long will you wait for her? कितनी देर तक वेट करोगे उसका? आई विल हैव टू वेट फॉर हर फॉर 2 hours or for 1 hour or for 30 minutes. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write. Third one is, are you asked to stay back after school for rehearsals? Answer will be, I have to stay back, okay, after schools for rehearsals. Next one is, why have you come to the bank at this hour? अभी तुम बैंक क्यों आए हो? Because I have to deposit money urgently. Okay, next one is, why did he miss the concert yesterday? A past tense is given, so we will write, he had to attend an important meeting. Next one is, do I tip the waiter? Yes, you have to tip the waiter. Then, why did he cancel his trip to Agra? So what is the answer? He had to remain home due to his illness. Here did is used, so we will use past tense, had to. How do I pay the bill, in cash or by a check? You have to pay the bill in cash. How much did you pay for this dress? Did, past tense. Okay, so I had to pay rupees 2000 for this dress. How will I travel to Nainital? How will I travel to Nainital? I will have to travel by car to Nainital. Now next is should or ought to express duty, obligation or advice. See, you ought to obey your parents. Here it is duty. You should take regular exercise to reduce. Here advice is there. You should help your poor friend. Obligation is there. Okay, but in first sentence we can use should also to give advice, and for duty we use ought to. But should is not so strong as must or have to. Should is polite, थोड़ा light है. Okay, for example, you have to park your car in the proper parking lot. It is law and has to be done. Okay, and you must park your car in the proper parking lot. It is necessary and I advise you to do so. Must. And you should park your car in the proper parking lot. The right thing to do. Okay, duty है. Okay, so understood, things are same but the sense is different. Okay, ought to is used to express a moral duty. You ought to follow the traffic rules. Now few situations are there. What advice will you give? A beggar asking you for money. कोई beggar है, वो तुमसे मनी मांग रहा है. तो आप उससे क्या आंसर दोगे? यू शुड डू सम वर्क इंस्टेड, यानी मांगने से अच्छा है कि तुम्हें कुछ काम करना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ड्यूटी बता रहे, राइट थिंग टू डू. अ बिग बॉय बुलिंग अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. एक बड़ा लड़का है, वो छोटे बच्चे को परेशान कर रहा है. ओके, सो यर लॉ है, नेसेसरी है, ये लॉ है और ये होना ही चाहिए. यू ऑट नॉट टू डू सच थिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव यूज़ करना पड़ेगा कि तुम्हें ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए. टू स्टूडेंट्स विस्परिंग टू ईच अदर इन क्लास. हियर नेसेसिटी इज देयर, यू मस्ट कीप क्वाइट. देन टू अ पर्सन, पुलिस मैन हु हैज़ कॉट अ थिफ. यू हैव टू डू सो, आपको ये करना ही था. टू अ पर्सन ट्राइंग टू क्रॉस अ रेलवे लाइन व्हेन द गेट हैज़ बीन क्लोज्ड एट द क्रॉसिंग. So here you should not try to cross it when the gate is closed. Okay, here we are giving the advice. Then directly I came to exercise 9 because 6, 7, 8, this 3 exercise you do not need to write. Okay, exercise 9, underline the correct word in the given brackets. The bus should or should have arrived any minutes now. Okay, so here we will use should. Then mother shouldn't or couldn't be doing so much housework at her age. Here capacity is there, so couldn't is used. Then Raman would or wouldn't listen to his father's advice and now he is without a job. अभी उसने फादर की एडवाइस नहीं सुनी इसलिए वो जॉब के बिना है, तो वुडंट आएगा. ओके, नेगेटिव फॉर्म विल बी यूज्ड. यू मस्ट और मस्टंट प्रेजेंट योर प्रोजेक्ट बाय सैटरडे. कंपल्शन इज देयर, affirmative sense is there, so you will use must. Jack ought to or ought not to have spoken so rudely to his neighbor, so here negative will be there. Okay, exercise 6 and 7. Exercise 6 and 8 you will do in textbook only. Answers can vary, it is up to you. Okay, and exercise 9 I gave you in textbook only. Exercise 10 is cancelled, which can be seen on your screen. Then exercise 11, fill in the blanks with appropriate models. Here one notice is given about library clearance. Library clearance means library charge जो भी है. ओके, उसके क्लियरेंस के लिए नोटिस दिया गया है. ऑल क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर बाय इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट दे हैव टू गेट द लाइब्रेरी क्लियरेंस डन बाय 2 February 2013. हियर आउटर एक्सटर्नल कंपल्शन इज देयर. ओके, स्कूल अथॉरिटी और द लाइब्रेरी अथॉरिटी इज गिविंग द नोटिस, सो हियर हैव टू विल बिकम. स्टूडेंट्स डैश बी रिक्वायर्ड टू डिपॉजिट देयर लाइब्रेरी कार्ड्स. ओके, हियर must will be used, have to can be used, and will have to pay a fine if there is any delay. In case of any irregularity, they will not be allowed to appear for their board exams. Okay, librarian. So here in this manner you will do this exercise in textbook only. Then exercise 12, choose the most suitable model. You may rebel against domination at work by people in power or control. See, students, here this chapter models is not that much of important for exam point of view, but for your regular conversation it is must. Okay, so try to understand the thing and try to change your style of speaking. Okay, you dash rebel against domination at work by people in power or control. You may rebel. Okay, some associates will hamper your progress. You would go beyond limitation and thinking personal relationship can be sensitive. You should be courageous and bold and move ahead. Try to understand why such words are used here. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Models are completed here. Whatever I have given you here, the answers with the exercise, you will write those exercise in textbook, and the exercise which I have discussed you will write in your notebook. Some exercises are cancelled. Exercise 10 is cancelled. Okay, and exercise 6 and 8 you will do by yourself in your textbook only. Okay, and exercise 4 and 5 you will write in notebook. Okay, I hope you understood the chapter. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye. Keep on revising the things which I have explained you. We will meet in next lecture. Bye.